Hey, welcome to another show. Today on the show we have a 5-pack of a self-defense alarm keychain with an LED light. Do you know why you might need one of these?
Yep.
Why is that?
Because you might get trapped.
Might get trapped or attacked by an alien or bad guys. This might be the perfect thing that you need, so stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Today on the show we're going to show you a 5-pack keychain alarm system. They have LED lights and they come in all these cool different colors. It's from a company called Veckle, and I'll show you what they look like. There's all different colors.
Can I have the black one?
Yeah, you can have the black one. I have a brown one, a purple one. Here is
and a blue one.
All right, you'll notice on these keychains is that they have a button right here.
And you turn on the LED light.
That's right. You turn on this LED light, and it is super bright.
But how do you do the lock? Oh, and pull this.
Now, when he pulls that, that's going to trigger the alarm. Now, don't pull it yet. This is in case that you might be going to your car or walking, and there might be a bad guy or a wolf or some type of alien, and you want to scare them away. So, do you want to demonstrate that? Yeah. I'll hold your ears here.
That was loud.
That was super loud.
Yeah.
Did that hurt your ears?
Yeah.
This would scare away anything, I'll tell you the truth. They come in, like I said, 5 different colors. Super loud, super bright LED lights right here. These are great for anti-wolf, elderly people, school bullying, if you're out running at night, or maybe you're trapped in quicksand and you need help, you need to send out an SOS. This would be the perfect alarm system for you. I'm going to have a link down below where you can find these on Amazon. And like always, have a fun and safe day. Adios! Bye-bye!